Okay, I had a very busy week, or as it's say in North Mayo, they say graitheach, seachtain, graitheach, and seachtain an graitheach, seachtain graitheach. Busy week, or gnóthach, some people might say, or in Munster they'll say cuaramach, the visha anna cuaramach of thine hennig, playing music, and I was playing music from the north of Mayo down to the south of Mayo. I was playing in a place called Rossport, which is near Carthaig. And one of the words that we use for to hear music in Mayo is mhoithigh, which literally means feel, like mhoithigh and those things that people might know um, from school. But you can use it to mean I heard, and have that in Donegal as well. They say wahama, I heard something about you. And you tend to use it for like if you heard a story or if you heard music, you say mhoithigh Eo. The distinction I asked them the distinction between Holima and Wihima, and they said, someone from Carthaig told me I would tend to use Wihima if I'm talking about music or stories, but if I heard like a noise, Holima Turran, Holima Turran. Inside of Belmullet, Achlim and Fodu, and Achill, and the rest of Connacht, and I think even Cork as well, in Muscree they say this, they say another word for feeling, which is Adi, Airigh, and say Daddy my Kjol, Wihi my Kjol. Daddy my Kjol, Wihi my Kjol. And I presume they'd say that in Termacady, although I don't have enough competence in that dialect. But in Carthaig and Dunchuicon, when we'd say Daddy my, as in I felt something, it'd mean like sensation, like you felt something on your skin or something. You wouldn't really use it the same way. Although there is one guy from Kilgarragan who uses Daddy for to hear. A guy called Gaeilge Mhaigh Eo. So you can feel music and you can feel stories and you can feel sounds in Irish. I was playing music in a place called Teachtainny and Rosstuach, and then I was playing on Thursday, and then last night I was playing music in a place called Chi Faddy in Tulbikiddy. And some of the interesting differences between South Mayo and North Mayo. South Mayo, Termacady, their dialect is much more similar to Connemara, so obviously they say Chi Faddy instead of Teach Faddy. And you'll see when you go to like Carthaig, it's not Connolly's pub in Stonefield is Teach Honoli, not Chi Honoli. Same thing with like Denny's pub is Teach Denny and Teach John Joe. And that's very similar to how they describe things in Donegal as well. They say Teach Filbon is a very well known pub on Arranmore Island. It's interesting enough as well, the word freshen doesn't exist in North West Mayo, and we don't have the Donegal version Fosta either, so we have to say Chomai and Lesh, the same as Munster.